know why we're listening to this. The doc is in.
Well, we're just trying to help you not lose that love and feeling as we listen to a different version of the Righteous Brothers. No. All right, Dr. Jen Berman is here. She hosts VH1 Couples Therapy. Here's a clip, and we'll beat the doc.
Single biggest determinant, psychologically speaking, of how you are in your relationships is your childhood. Because every one of you brings those experiences to your relationship unless you face it and you deal with it.
Wow.
Well, that's true.
But how do you know if you're screwed up from your childhood?
Well, first of all, we all acted out in our relationships. I think that we all are a little screwed up from our childhood. It's just a matter of degrees. And we have a responsibility both to ourselves and to our partners to really to work through that. And also to look at when we're reacting to our partner and our reactions are much bigger than the event, it's almost always from our childhood. Mm-hmm. So
always
it's important
from our
to look
childhood.
at. Yeah.
You know, Freud, as you know, is very big on childhood, but in terms of practical psychotherapy, it's one thing to now have insight, but then how do you fix it?
Yeah, well, that's what therapy is all about. Therapy is all about developing the tools, developing the insight, being able to kind of put a step between your reaction and your behavior. And that's one of the things that's really cool about VH1 Couples Therapy. I have these couples in-house with me trapped for 3 weeks. I get to watch them on monitors. I have reports on every one of them all the time around the clock.
So it gets beyond after a little while, you actually get to beyond a TV reality.
It's so beyond a TV reality, and it's beyond anything I can do in my office. Because in my office, people come in, they self-report. This is what happened during our fight. But with VH1 Couples Therapy, I can actually watch the fight myself.
And they're also, if they, a lot of people put up a fiction when they're in a psychotherapist's office. You have 1 hour to cut through the fiction.
And some of it is fiction, but also some of it is, this is my experience. It may not be accurate, but this is my experience. And that's something I talk about a lot, actually, last episode with Flav and Liz, where they got into this huge argument where he was saying, I wasn't out as much as you're saying you are. And he started arguing with her, and I kept saying, it doesn't matter whether you were. What she's telling you is she feels neglected.
Are you saying
you're not paying attention?
Flav is on a reality show?
I know, it's shocking. It's shocking. But he did some great therapy. He and Liz, they're a very troubled couple who had a lot to work on and did some great work. And I think people will identify.
Kind of a crazy season. Did you call 911 at one point?
Yes, 911 was actually called twice.
So things escalate.
Things really escalated, and we had some dangerous situations come up a couple of times.
I know this is serious. I always get tickled by the idea of calling 911. 911 says, what's the nature of your problem? Can we talk about your childhood and find out what's let's deal with some problems that people are facing. You say there are 5 basic things, mistakes that couples make.
Yeah. The first one is getting defensive. That's a big one. And you see, actually, Flav, last episode, like I was mentioning, he just got so defensive that he couldn't hear what his partner's saying. And that happens all the time. Which leads me to number 2, not listening. A lot of the time, we're so busy coming up with our argument and our rebuttal with our partner that we don't hear what they're saying.
And we're protecting our own psyche when we're doing this.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And you're missing the opportunity of learning from your loved one. Who knows you better than the person who you share your bed with, you share your life with, than the person who's giving you this feedback. So it's important to be open to it.
When they talk, you want to listen. I know, at least for women, guys don't open up a ton. So when they do,
well, there you go. And guys want to fix it.
You want to hear what they have to say.
What do you want me to do? Right? You're my wife, I'm me. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
Yeah. So
you want me to listen? I want to fix it. I want to fix it and have it go away.
Like,
and also, I want, as your wife, I want to feel heard. I want to feel seen. I want to feel understood. You provide that for your partner as a man, and she's locked in for life.
Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes.
Okay. So the other thing is also working through your childhood issues. Like I said earlier, it always affects your relationship. That is our first template. It is both the way our parents treat us and what we watch in their relationship. Those are the 2 biggest
getting
factors.
Professional help for the childhood issues, or just talking about it?
I think everybody should have 1 year of weekly therapy, regardless of what your childhood issues are, because that's a great way to develop insight. It's a great way to really get to better understand yourself and see where you're acting out. To have an objective person giving you feedback is really, really
Because otherwise,
important.
we just relive the tapes from our childhood, and we're not even understanding that we're doing it.
Completely.
We're applying something from that situation to this situation that doesn't fit, doesn't work.
Completely.
And it's difficult to to sign up for therapy when you feel like everything's okay and I feel normal.
And people are scared. Usually when people come into therapy, they're afraid. That's, I think, the biggest thing that keeps people out of therapy. It used to be, oh, the stigma. I think less so the stigma now, and more so people are afraid to be confronted with their issues.
There's no stigma in LA going to therapy.
For sure.
Yeah.
But in other areas of the country.
All right, one more thing. One more thing.
Poor communication and power struggles. I'm going to put them together because they're oftentimes so linked that it's so hard to hear each other and to speak up in the relationship and tell each other the difficult things in a way that our partners can hear.
Okay, all right. Now, Dr. Jen is answering some of your relationship questions as well, yours. So go to our Facebook page, submit your questions. She's going to be on Studio 11 this Thursday.
Answering all those questions.
You'll be answering these questions, okay?
Okay.
So you folks go there and she will do that for you. And the new episodes of VH1's Couple Therapy airs Wednesday nights at 10 o'clock on VH1. Go to myfoxla.com for more information.
And it gets heated. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jen, thank you.
A pleasure.
Always good to see you. Coming up